Hey, this is Christian, and today I want to talk about how can you find a perfect roadmap for you that you can follow today to get results super fast and in the best way possible. So I want to tell you that there is no perfect roadmap. Every roadmap has its pros and cons, like with everything in roadmap. So if you are trying to find the best thing, you'll never find it, and you'll fail miserably, and you'll be more disappointed because simply you won't be able to find it, and you'll waste a lot of time, and you'll have a lot of frustrations if you're trying to find the perfect roadmap. But the alternative to that is to find something and stick to that process for a while, for at least 1 month, or 2 or 3 months. Then after you stick to that process for that period of time, then you can readjust. I had an interesting call with one of my mentees. He started from scratch, and for 2 months he couldn't really understand how to code, and he had this realization of, hey, I cannot depend on you, I need to figure it out myself. And that's great. Why? Because even if you are paying me, even if you are paying someone else, even if you are going to a bootcamp, even if you are going to take a cheap course or sign up on a platform or anything, you still have to take responsibility for what you're doing and try to understand what you are doing. So what my client did, he found small exercises and he started applying whatever I was telling him. So he started to learn how to listen to what I was telling him, and he started applying whatever I was explaining him. And that led from him barely understanding what functions are doing and things of that nature to building his own calculator. He built an application to calculate the he was inputting some the width of triangle thingy. I forgot the name. I'm so bad at maths. Anyway, so he started to realize how things work because he took responsibility. He took the responsibility and he said, I cannot rely on this guy 100%. I need to figure it out. And the cool part is, I did not tell him anything. I did not tell him how to pick the exercises. I did not tell him how to pick the roadmap that he picked for himself. I did not tell him anything. But I realized that what he was doing was good. So I just let him do his thing. Yeah. The cool part is that if you're working with a mentor, is you can do your mistakes, you can try different things and then see what works for you and then stick to that. And what I'm going to do next with him is I actually told him, like, keep doing what you're doing. It's really good. You are learning right now. Your mind is expanding right now, and keep doing this. Keep figure things out on your own, and then I'm gonna correct you as time goes on. So the point of this video is that there is no perfect roadmap. Take responsibility, stick with something long enough, and then you'll see great results. There is no one out there that has the magic answer for anything, and you'll see that most successful people, I'm not considering myself super successful. I'm not a millionaire or billionaire or anything, but you'll notice that everyone does a few basic things really well. So find out what those basic things are and try to apply them to your own situation as good as you can. And this is gonna make your life so much better. Your results will go through the roof quite fast. In the beginning, the process might be a bit slow. I'm gonna talk about this in a later video, but in the beginning things will be quite slow for you, but you'll become better, and then your results will not go there. The progress is not measured like this, it's not linear. So if you are doing something today, you might not notice anything until 3 months from now. Yeah. So don't expect that if you're doing some work today, you'll see the benefits tomorrow. No. Expect that if you are doing some work today, you'll see the benefits in 6 months from now. That's a much healthier mindset. And yeah, I think that's the video. I'll wrap up here. If you want me to help you learn to code, if you are stuck in tutorials and things of that nature, or maybe you are new but you want to take the fastest path to success, just apply on my website. There is a bunch of information there. You can watch the video, then after you finish watching the video, apply for a free consultation call with me or someone from my team. Then we'll reach out to you and we'll figure out a step-by-step plan for you to learn to code and to get your first job in tech. Cheers.